Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And today I have an unboxing, and this is from the Real Real. And I've had this for a few days, and it's been really, really hard not to open it up. And I know a lot of people, I guess it's a horse apiece. Some like to do total unboxings, and some don't like to do total unboxings because of the time it takes to open it and stuff like that, especially if you're me. But whenever it's from, okay, this is terrible to say. If I get something from Fashion File, it's not that terrible to say. I trust that I'm going to get exactly what it was that I saw, that it's not going to have any weird smells, that it's not going to, there's going to be no surprises. And it's always going to be nicely packaged. But the biggest thing is no surprises. And when I get things from the Real Real, though, I don't know why, probably because I've heard people talk, I'm always leery of what I'm going to get. I'm always a little afraid. And I would have to say that out of all the times I've purchased from them, I don't think that I've ever been disappointed, ever. So, in their defense, it's not like they have ever steered me wrong or whatever else. But I always feel like my first time is coming, if that makes any sense. So I always like to do the unboxings for sure from them as true unboxings to see the whole experience in case, because there's been more in the news about the Real Real too than Fashion File. I don't think that I've ever really heard of Fashion File selling fake bags or like really being disappointing to customers at all, versus I have heard stuff about some of the other places. I haven't heard anything about Yugi's Closet either though, but okay, this part's nice. So I got this nice box, and here's what the inside looks like. Now, this is a brand that I don't have anything from, nothing. And for the longest time, I figured I don't care that I don't have anything from that brand. It just doesn't interest me.
Under Armour?
And the big H. No. And, but there's a few people that I follow and stuff that really like bags from this brand. And then, was it Lisa? She's a great follower, but she doesn't have a channel, but she should. Got a bag from her significant other from this brand that I just loved, and it really kind of planted the seed. And then Eva from Fuchsia Floyd has quite a few bags from this brand, and I thought, finally, I want to at least dip my toes in the brand. Maybe. And then the Real Real had something show up at a really good price, and I thought, it's time. It's time to dip my toes in here. You can probably kind of see the color from here. And I was very excited when I saw this, because I was very intrigued. Ooh, I kind of like what I see already, because the color just gets me. I don't need another bag this color at all, but okay. Why am I having such a hard time opening this?
Because it's you.
It's very true. So far, I'm very happy with what I see. I have no idea what the name of this bag is. It definitely looks older, I think, because of the front here, but I got this bag from Tory Burch. Okay, I am very happy. So far, there's no smell.
That's me.
There's no smell.
That's right.
Okay, so what do we got here? So we got this big old Tory Burch symbol on the front. Okay, so there's a pocket here with a, kind of see the interior there.
Polly can fit in there.
And then there is a nice pocket in the back here too. Well, this is really cool. That'd be a great spot for your phone.
Or your hand.
Why would I put my hand in there? It's got the rolled leather handle. Well, okay, let's do an Autumn Backman spin. So here's the front, the side, the back, the side, the bottom, which has feet. It's got this gorgeous pebbled leather in this like fuchsia color.
Is that gold hardware?
Yeah, gold hardware. I don't see any scratches on the hardware. Let's see. There's the, okay, so this little symbol actually is leather filled. I thought it was going to be painted, but it's actually leather. So I like this so far. It's got a zipper. The zipper pull here looks nice and substantial. No big scratches on it. It says Tory Burch on it. Ooh, nice zipper. It comes with a removable, adjustable shoulder strap. And then here's the interior. It's a big old bag inside. It's got a slip pocket here, a slip pocket here, a zipper pocket there with the little Tory Burch emblem in there. And then the little emblem all over it. Wow, this is just... Okay, I'm not going to lie, I'm really happy. I'm just checking it all out. A little bit of folding, just... This part's like flipped up just a little bit, but I think you could kind of work that back down again if you even cared. I'm very excited about this bag. I'm so... There's my real ticket. I'm not gonna lie, I was leery going into it. I could tell it was more of a vintage bag. I have no idea what year it's from. I don't know what it's called because I just don't think there's that many big old circle discs anymore on her bags. But oh, just look at this. I am really excited about this. Oh, look at the little lobster-like claw there.
Like a rock lobster?
What? I didn't think so. The hardware is really substantial. Wow, and I know these bags. I mean, her bags now cost a lot. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'll show people like this. See, here's like what it looks like. Wow, I have a mirror. I can look. Wow. I am very happy with this. I mean, it's definitely been worn. It's very squishy. But, you know,
it's lovingly used.
I'll put my stuff in it. It'll be perfect. It reminds me a lot, but it's a little bit different color of my mulberry, just to kind of give you an idea of the pinkiness of it. But I saw the color and the style, and I was like, wow, I like that bag. And I couldn't help but know it was Tory Burch because we all know this. And I didn't hold that against it. And I thought, it's time. It's time. And I paid $143 for this bag.
That's a bargain.
It's a supermarket. I am super pleased with this. Whoever had it really loved it. I believe they used it. But like there's no wear. There's no wear on the edges. There's okay, maybe a hair of wear there. And who cares? I'm just super happy. So I now have a Tory Burch bag in my collection. It was one of the very few brands that I don't have a bag from. Very few mainstream brands. There are a lot of like French brands that I still could use bags from and other brands, but I am just super excited about this. So this is my very first Tory Burch bag. You guys got to see me all open it and be very pleased with it. That's what I have for you today. I have some more unboxings coming. There have been a number of things that I have picked up lately, just been really excited about, and a lot of spring and summer bags. To me, like I said in the video a couple videos ago, this color, like this fuchsia pink, is for any season. Argue with me if you will, but I'm telling you, it's right. It's for any season. And yeah, so I'm so glad to have it. The next couple bags that I show, I believe, will be again like spring and summer like bags that I'm really excited about. But yeah, that's what I have for you today. I typically put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays of both contemporary and luxury style, mainly handbags, but other items as well. Every other Thursday, I put out a book related video. This Thursday, there'll be a book related video out. And that I'll usually haul some books, show you what I've been reading, what I am reading, what I'm going to be reading, maybe talk about books. On every Monday or Tuesday, I do a bag swap where I swap from one bag into the next bag, tell you a little bit about each bag and about the SLGs that I'm switching over. So I would really like it if you're not subscribed, if you would consider subscribing. That would really mean a lot to me. I also really like when you leave comments. It just means the world to me. It always helps me get to know you just a little bit better, which I really appreciate, and I do answer all my comments. And you can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there at James Jam as well. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.
This Lisa you speak of, she is now on the list. And I'm pretty sure Eva's already there.